So today we're unboxing the UPA-AC mesh wireless access point. This model is the UAP-AC-M. That's a dual band access point, meaning it will simultaneously do 2.4 and 5 gigahertz on Wi-Fi. So let's open it up. It comes in a really nicely designed white box. So this is the access point itself. It comes with a QR code on the back to make it easy to get set up with the app. And then under this cover is where the Ethernet cable connects. It has a little rubber sheath to stop water and things going in. This is a water resistant unit, or IP rated unit. The reset button is also under here. I quite like how they've included this plastic strap to stop this cover getting lost. Comes with two antennas. Which connect onto the top of this. It's got a 24 volt PoE injector. This also comes with a wall mounting clip so that it can be mounted on the wall. And they have provided mounting hardware. This looks like the wall mount plate, and it comes with a inbuilt spirit level even. Hopefully that's accurate. And I believe this is a wall mounting plate, a pole mounting plate if it needed to be mounted on a pole of some kind. That would go in like so. To mount it on a pole. I don't think that has any way of mounting it. Oh, it does. So that the PoE box can be mounted on the back. And alternatively, it's got this approach. So it can get mounted like that.